The Roomster $1.6 million settlement is grabbing attention everywhere, and many people are asking whether this is actually real or just another online buzz. Let's break it down so you know exactly what's happening. Roomster, a platform that claimed to connect renters with safe and affordable housing, came under fire for fake reviews and misleading listings that misled thousands of people. And that's where this lawsuit originated. Regulators investigated and found that the company had not only allowed but also allegedly paid for fabricated positive reviews to make the platform look more trustworthy than it actually was. As a result, a $1.6 million restitution fund has now been set up to compensate eligible consumers, which means that people who were directly affected may have a chance to claim payments. The settlement specifies that restitution will be distributed through legitimate methods such as PayPal and other official channels, and claimants are advised to look out for communication from the official email address roomster.restitutionaag.ny.gov. Beyond the $1.6 million, there's also a $47 million suspended judgment against Roomster, which highlights how serious the violations were and serves as a warning to other companies engaging in similar practices. It's important to note that this isn't free money for everyone online. Only qualified users who were impacted by Roomster's misleading conduct are entitled to compensation, and scammers may try to exploit the news by sending fake links or messages. The settlement doesn't erase the frustration many renters experienced, but it does hold Roomster accountable and ensures that regulators are watching closely. Whether you think the amount is too small compared to the alleged damage, or you believe it's a step in the right direction, one thing is clear. This case shows how fake reviews and deceptive listings can backfire on a company. So, if you are a Roomster user, check your inbox carefully, make sure the email is from the official source, and stay cautious of anything that looks suspicious.